It is very difficult to making extremely miniature models. On the other hand, quality must be guaranteed. The smaller model, the easier it is to expose its quality, including coloring, rough workmanship and mark of glue. Here we share some tips how to make an ultra mini spiral staircase. There are two main reasons why the miniature spiral staircase is difficult to make. 1. Mini. The first and most common reason is that the small size model difficult to hold it, so it is important to choose some special tools or methods. Tools that can be used include general mini pliers, tweezer, mini scissors, some assisting tools and round bars of different specifications. We choose 2 to 5 millimeters. 2. Shaped parts. The second point is that spiral stairs are objects with special shapes, such as handrails and steps, so the choice of material type is also a problem. Therefore, it is necessary to choose soft materials for specific shapes. Materials that are too hard are difficult to form. According to the scale of the model we want to make, we can choose 0.3 mm plastic sheet or even paper. Let's start making it. Here we do scale of 400, first determine the size and height. As for how to calculate, I will make a separate video tutorial. Since the stairs are scale of 400, there is no need to glue them one by one on a large scale like this. Last time, I made 20 larger spiral stairs with a scale of 50, and total has 400 steps to be glued. Therefore, we simplify this step. Since the height of each step of the scale of 400 is only 0.375 mm, we made it into one piece. After finishing the drawing, we apply colors to the steps, select the quantity and print. As for the handrails, we do not print colors through the printer. Later we will use oil-based or water-based paint to color both sides of the handrail. Let's cut out the shape of the handrails and steps. Now we use the assisting tool, which is a round bar. First, using a little glue, take the inner handrail and roll it on the 2 mm round bar. And then use the 3 mm round bar to roll the outer handrail into a curled shape. If you want to turn the stairs to another side, the opposite operation. After fixing, we glued the steps to the round rod of the inner handrail. Finally, glue the curled-shaped outer side handrail to the stairs. And use the brush to color it. You can also color the handrail directly in the software. Trim the excess material and separate the stairs from the round bars. Okay, that's it. This tutorial ends here. We will share some more tips next time. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new stuff today. Please leave a like, share this video, subscribe my channel for more videos and click the bell so you never miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Model Journal.